Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into Blasphemous, False Prophet, the highly anticipated 2025 sequel to the original Blasphemous. In this installment, we continue the journey of the Penitent One, exploring a darker, more intense version of the cursed world of Custodia. The game's atmosphere is drenched in religious themes, with stunning pixel art and a haunting soundtrack that pulls you deeper into its grim narrative. At its core, Blasphemous, False Prophet confronts the nature of faith, devotion, and the betrayal that often comes with blind worship. Players will encounter new enemies, challenging bosses, and explore more complex layers of the world. As we explore this tortured land, we uncover the twisted story of the false prophet, a character who represents the corrupting influence of power and deception within religious institutions. The prophet's influence casts a long shadow, and the Penitent One's journey becomes a search for truth and redemption. The game's combat remains as brutal as ever, with tight mechanics that require skill and precision. But what truly sets False Prophet apart is its narrative depth, with every corner of the world holding a story, a secret, or a lesson about the consequences of misplaced faith. So, whether you're a veteran of the original game or new to the series, Blasphemous, False Prophet promises a dark, gripping experience that will keep you questioning what you believe. Let me know your thoughts on the game in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.